Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Square app for payment processing setup, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install the Square app for payment processing, begin by unlocking your smartphone. Navigate to your device's App Store. For iOS devices, open the App Store. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Square POS and press enter. Locate the Square app in the search results. Tap on the Square app to open its details page. Check the app's ratings and reviews for additional information. Once satisfied, tap the Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once the installation is complete, find the Square app icon on your home screen. Tap on the Square app icon to open it. You will be prompted to create an account or log in if you already have one. If you're new to Square, select Create Account. Enter your email address, create a password, and provide other required information. Read and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. After completing the registration process, verify your email if prompted. Once logged in, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. You may need to provide additional business information, such as your business name and type. Connect your bank account to allow funds to be deposited after transactions. If you have a Square card reader, follow the instructions to pair it with your device via Bluetooth. Customize your settings according to your business needs. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features and tools. You're now ready to process payments using the Square app. Test a small transaction to ensure everything is functioning correctly. Once confirmed, you can start accepting payments from your customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.